Rosebud Indian Reservation in South Dakota is the home of the federally recognized Sicango-Oyate Sioux Nation and the Rosebud Sioux tribe, a branch of the Lakota people. In the emergency room of the Rosebud Indian Health Service Hospital, suicide attempts by drug overdose are seen nearly nightly. The suicide rate is 10 times the national average. According to an article at Stanford, Rosebud Reservation is at the end of a highway, down the road, around a bend that leads nowhere. Enter MAPIA, a brain activity monitor for detecting suicidal thoughts. Based on the concept of functional neuroimaging, it finds the area of the brain directly related to suicidal thoughts and scans that region of the brain in at-risk individuals. So, who are our customers? Our customers are the government, NGO, mental health clinics that exist and operate in the region. In 2013, Rosebud Healthcare got a $500,000 federal funding which fuels our customers and makes the product a viable sell. These customers will be trained professionals who understand the product completely and diagnose problems quickly and effectively. Since the customers are the current healthcare providers in the region, the natives will be comfortable in using and providing feedback for the product. So who are the end users? The Native Americans living in the region are our end users. Any person who has been identified as severe risk will be asked to diagnose themselves using MAPIA. The patient, under supervision of a customer, will wear the brain scanner to reveal what his current mental state is. Based on the severity of the diagnosis, our customers will provide for the therapy and counseling to the patients. The patients during this process will provide valuable user feedback which will help us improve the future versions of the product. This brings us to the value proposition that we will be providing to the customers and our end users. How does MAPIA perform the job that our customers want it to do? Functionally, it identifies suicidal thoughts so treatment is effective. Socially, it overcomes taboos associated with talking about the problem and making sure that vulnerable teams are having a safe and effective treatment. Emotionally, it gives and restores a sense of pride that the Rosebud Reservation is not beyond saving and that the services are working. As a complete package, what products and services is our company providing? Number one, we provide them with a completely self-contained unit which can monitor suicidal thoughts. Number two, the health service professional will have access to a huge database of known cases during the diagnosis, the path to improvement, and the final outcome. And number three, we will provide a 24/7 specialized help with targeted training and on-site monitoring. So, how does our products and services alleviate customer pains? Number one, we create more savings by less training seminars, reduce effort and treatment time. Number two, the diagnosis and treatment is completely free of medications and any other side effects associated with it. And number three, the discreet nature of the diagnosis solution will bring in youth that are otherwise embarrassed to admit that they are seeking help. And lastly, how is our company creating customer gains with not just meeting the basic functionality of the product, but going above and beyond to meet their expectations, desires, and giving them something they would be surprised by? Number one, we are improving the quality of treatment by providing cutting-edge technology with a well-developed product dispensed by well-trained professionals. Number two, we can help them become a better individual by giving them a deep dive into how their brain works and how they can use it for their own betterment. Number three, implementing this new concept will gain them recognition from the media and outside entities on the effectiveness of mental health treatment. And number four, they will be the pioneers of a whole new dimension of mental health diagnosis, not only in the country, but the whole world. Thank you.